It's a perfect day for wing gliding. Let's hope it stays that way. Toothless, is that launch ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. I hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, you'll soar over bird just like a dragon, but without the fishy atmosphere. Which is a terrible thing to forget. Stay calm. Check out the sights on the way down. Bird's chronicle nest. Yay! Well, there's nothing alarming or horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving. Dan, I was kidding. We need to get out of here. And they're hatching. Okay, hang on. Showed off. You can join Toothless and me for a ride anytime, but just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah, Toothless, quit sliding my face. I just brushed my teeth.